upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only channel where we compare products so you don't have to spend your hard-earned cash on a glorified paperweight. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of UPS systems. That's uninterruptible power supplies, not the guys in brown shorts delivering your packages. On my left, we have the APC UPS battery replacement, the APC RBC 124. And on my right, the CyberPower EC650 LCD Ecologic battery backup and surge protector. Sounds fancy, right? Let's see which one can keep your gadgets alive during a blackout, or at least help you keep the Wi-Fi running while your neighbor is still trying to figure out how to set up their router. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The APC RBC 124 is priced at a whopping $101, which reviewers say is on the higher side, but worth it for its reliability and long-lasting performance. However, some users have expressed frustration with customer service and installation instructions. Meanwhile, the CyberPower EC650 LCD is a cooler $94, making it a more budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its cost-effectiveness and ease of use, particularly for maintaining devices like firewalls during power outages. Now, let's check compatibility. The APC RBC 124 is like that one friend who can fit in anywhere. It's compatible with a whole bunch of APC UPS models. Reviewers mention that it works well with multiple devices and is easy to install. On the other hand, CyberPower is more like that one friend who only gets along with certain people. It's specifically designed for CyberPower devices, and while it has multiple outlets, some users have noted that it has limitations with certain setups, particularly with NAS drives, which could be a deal breaker for some. All right, let's get into the juicy features. The APC RBC 124 offers reliable performance and even has a recycling program, which is a hit among eco-conscious users. However, some reviewers have noted that it could be challenging to reset the battery replacement date for optimal performance. Meanwhile, the CyberPower EC650 LCD comes with a multifunction LCD panel that displays all the important battery and power conditions, which users find very helpful. Plus, it has an ECO mode that saves energy when your computer is asleep, making it a favorite for those looking to save on electricity bills. Now let's talk warranties. The APC RBC 124 comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, which is decent, but some reviewers wish it was longer given the price. In comparison, the CyberPower EC650 LCD offers a generous 3-year warranty, including the battery. Users appreciate this added peace of mind, especially when they've had issues with other brands. This makes CyberPower a more attractive option for those concerned about longevity and support. In summary, both products have their merits and drawbacks. The APC RBC 124 is praised for its reliability and compatibility with various models, but some users have faced challenges with customer service. On the other hand, the CyberPower EC650 LCD is favored for its affordability, innovative features, and longer warranty, although it has some compatibility limitations and mixed reviews on customer support. So there you have it, folks. If you want compatibility and a good eco-friendly vibe, the APC RBC 124 might be your best bet. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with cool features and a longer warranty, the CyberPower EC650 LCD has your back. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which UPS system you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay powered up. Upbeat music fading out. And remember, if the lights go out, at least your gadgets won't have to go to bed early.